Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies as a pilot? Whether you want to fly passengers across the globe, explore the world as a private pilot, or serve your country in the military, becoming a pilot is an exciting and rewarding journey. But where do you start? In this video, we'll break down the step-by-step process of becoming a pilot, from meeting eligibility requirements to earning your wings. Let's get started. The first step to becoming a pilot is ensuring you meet the basic eligibility requirements. These may vary depending on the type of license you're pursuing, but here are the general criteria. You must be at least 16 to solo an aircraft and 17 to earn a private pilot license. Commercial licenses require you to be at least 18. Pass a medical exam conducted by an aviation medical examiner, AME. This ensures you're physically fit to fly. Pilots must demonstrate proficiency in English, the universal language of aviation. Meeting these requirements is the foundation of your journey to the cockpit. There are several types of pilot licenses, each serving a different purpose. Here's a quick overview. Private pilot license, PPL, allows you to fly recreationally or for personal use. It's the first step for most aspiring pilots. Commercial pilot license, CPL, required if you want to get paid to fly, such as working for airlines or charter companies. Airline transport pilot license, ATP, the highest level of certification, required to act as a captain for commercial airlines. Recreational/sport pilot license, for those who want to fly small aircraft for fun without pursuing a full PPL. Choose the license that aligns with your goals and start building your aviation career from there. Once you've decided on the type of license you want, it's time to enroll in a flight school. Here's what to expect. Learn the theory behind flying, including navigation, weather patterns, and aviation regulations. Practice takeoffs, landings, and emergency procedures under the guidance of a certified instructor. Look for accredited schools with experienced instructors, modern equipment, and good reviews. Options include traditional flight schools, universities with aviation programs, and online courses combined with local flight training. Flight school is where you'll develop the skills and confidence needed to become a pilot. After completing your training, you'll need to pass 2 key exams, test your knowledge of aviation principles, regulations, and safety procedures. Study guides and practice tests are available to help you prepare. Conducted by an examiner, this includes both oral questioning and a flight test to assess your skills. Passing these exams is a major milestone in your journey to becoming a licensed pilot. To advance your career, you'll need to build flight hours and gain experience, fly recreationally or rent planes to log additional hours. Work as a flight instructor, charter pilot, or cargo pilot to meet the 1,500-hour requirement for an ATP license. Connect with other pilots, attend aviation events, and stay updated on industry trends. Every hour you log brings you closer to achieving your ultimate aviation goals. Once you've earned your licenses and built enough experience, it's time to advance your career. Apply to regional or major airlines to work as a co-pilot or captain. Join the armed forces to train as a military pilot and serve your country. Fly for private companies or wealthy individuals. No matter which path you choose, remember that dedication, hard work, and a passion for flying will take you far. Becoming a pilot is a challenging but incredibly rewarding journey. By following these steps, meeting requirements, choosing the right license, enrolling in flight school, passing exams, building experience, and advancing your career, you can turn your dream of flying into reality. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more aviation tips and career advice. Let us know in the comments where you see yourself flying in the future.